Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you for being here together with me, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. My topic, oh, sorry 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 guys, my topic of the day is sorry about that, is basically I'm gonna be speaking about these white floral perfumes. They are Middle Eastern brand. They are this topic will be more like for ladies, because these perfume I know that Dirham Wardi is definitely for lady. I think LATTAFA one is for lady too. I show you guys. So LATTAFA one is ROUAT Al Musk, and Dirham Wardi is this one, guys. It's by ARD Al ZAAFARAN, and this one is by LATTAFA, guys. So these two perfumes, let me just kind of hold it for you very nice so you will be able to see it. So look at these look, guys, at these particular beautiful bottles. So I really like these perfumes, guys. Let's compare them. So I think that they are extremely similar, guys. The reason why, because they are white florals, there is jasmine there, and they are very gentle, very feminine, and they are extremely guys, likable perfumes. And every time when I wake up in the morning and I think, what type of perfume should I wear today, like I always kind of think about these two perfumes, but then I end up maybe wearing something else just because I want to test something else, But in my heart, actually, I want to wear these perfumes because they are very clean, guys, very fresh perfumes, clean, fresh, feminine, and those type of perfumes that you could wear at work. You could wear, guys, these two perfumes at work without any type of fear of suffocating other people, which, guys, could happen very often with these particular perfumes. You can suffocate people, but with these two you cannot suffocate people. Although some people say that how do you say ROUAT Al Musk or whatever, this perfume by LATTAFA can be maybe seems like maybe sharp for some people, maybe because that jasmine, guys, that is there, maybe sometimes can seem a bit sharp. But let me tell you, guys, which one I prefer. So I prefer Dirham Wardi perfume, this one, the first one, because it smells slightly more gentle than LATTAFA one, but they are both gentle enough, guys. They are beautiful, feminine, white floral perfumes that you can simply just hit any day. But as I said before, I prefer Dirham Wardi because it's slightly more interesting. Also, when you read the notes, in the notes, it will also say, guys, a lot of things, in Dirham Wardi. And let's say, so Dirham Wardi, it was like a combination of this type of delicate notes, that gives this type of feminine vibe. So it was saying I'm talking about this one now, Dirham Wardi. So in Dirham Wardi was saying there is, there is blackcurrant, there is, there is iris, there is praline, there is rose, actually comes first, rose, and there is a little bit of patchouli, and what else, orange as well. So a little bit of everything, and which gives that type of beautiful type of vibe for this perfume, and plus jasmine, remember jasmine too. So, and in ROUAT Al Musk, I'm talking about this one now, ROUAT Al Musk by LATTAFA, in the Fragrantica was stating only few notes, which was like citrus and jasmine, perhaps, and very little notes, but they are still actually very beautiful. The bottle, they are both so beautiful, like so elegant, like it was saying that Dirham Wardi is Dirham Wardi, guys, is created, for people who, for ladies who are, feminine. Basically, it's like a power of femininity type of situation. This is definitely, guys, my favorite type of perfume from Dirham, from Dirham range. And let me just kind of try to pick it up one more time, guys. I have an issue today. I have a blocked nose, So whatever I will try to smell right now, I will not be able to smell, but I'm talking to you from my, experience while wearing these perfumes before. So basically, you know, it feels very nice, both of them. It's just exactly what you need for your day when you have, let's say, when you need to go to work, you know, exactly what you need. People pay attention to these perfumes, you know. I think it would spark interest because of how type of feminine and pleasant and light it is, this perfume, you know. I think many people like light perfumes, isn't it? Like, because to wear, let's say, those to wear like peppery perfumes or spicy perfumes not always is suitable, guys, for everyday situations. So like this one, you know, the versatility in these two perfumes is just wonderful, guys. Versatility, you know. And you know, like really, if you want feminine perfume, you should 100%, guys, go with you know, either one of these perfumes. But perhaps Dirham Wardi has a more combination for you, you know. And let's say, you know, the price is kind of similar. Perhaps Dirham Wardi you can find slightly cheaper, you know. Especially I would notice a lot of discounts on this perfume for some kind of unknown reason, you know. So, ARD Al ZAAFARAN or LATTAFA, you know, that's the question. That's the question for you. And both of them are very nice. To be honest, no need, guys, to buy, you know, both of these perfumes. Like, just get one of them. It will be enough. And let me know once you do, guys, if you enjoy it or you don't enjoy it, or what you think about this perfume. I don't think, guys, that these, you know, I don't think, guys, that these two perfumes would be suitable for, you know, like for man. I don't think so, guys. It's more for ladies. But I noticed there is another perfume of ROUAT Al Musk. You know, there is another one which supposed to include, like, the name in the name was like a oud or something like this, you know. But that's this is not the one. This one has jasmine. So that's all, guys. I will finish this video. You know, maybe, let's say, I should spray myself with the perfume, guys. My scent of the day today was Badi Al Oud by LATTAFA. You know, I cannot feel the smell today because I have blocked nose, but you know, if I wouldn't have blocked nose, I would feel very much. And right now I cannot feel anything, guys. But from my memories, you know, I know that Dirham Wardi smells, guys, fantastic, you know. That's what I remember. Dirham Wardi, fantastic feminine smell that I think would be hard to find women that wouldn't like it. And LATTAFA ROUAT Al Musk is another feminine perfume that also people really will like it too. For some kind of reason on reviews, you can still see maybe, you know, like a reviews that ladies doesn't like it or something, you know. I don't know. I don't understand. I like this perfume, guys. I enjoy this perfume, especially for the bottle, you know, especially for the look at this bottle, guys. Like, it's just a perfection. So I say to you, guys, really get one of these perfumes and enjoy your life, you know, while spraying them. Just spray them on, you know, every morning and be happy. That's all what I could say to you. I will be back to you soon, guys. Like this video, and I will come back to you with another topic soon. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.